Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Have you ever thought about how much our habits have changed? Think about how you listen to music now. You don't burn CDs or organize MP3 folders anymore. You just stream what you want, when you want. And how do you pay for things? You don't go to the ATM or count bills at the register, you tap your card or phone and move on. Our habits changed because the world changed. So, why are we still stuck using banks? Like it's 1995? Traditional banks were built for a slower, paper-based world. A world where opening an account meant sitting across a desk with printed forms, where sending money meant standing in line and waiting for approval, where your account worked only from 9 to 5 and not at all on weekends. But life today doesn't wait for a banker to unlock a drawer. We move fast. We work remotely, we earn from global clients, we book flights from our phones and manage teams across time zones. And more people are realizing that their money should move just as freely as they do. That's where crypto platforms come in. They aren't just alternatives, they're upgrades. They're built for now, always on, borderless by design, ready to go from any device, built around your needs, not bank rules. You can send money around the world in seconds, swap currencies without waiting days for approval. Get paid in stablecoins or crypto, no gatekeepers, no paperwork, the speed is real, the freedom is real. And the best part? It's all on your terms. This isn't about hype or coins going to the moon. This is financial infrastructure, built for people who live in 2025, not the 1990s. It's about access, control, and the ability to manage your money with fewer limits and more flexibility. Some people still think crypto is only for traders, that it's all charts, volatility, and hard to understand terms. But that's not the reality anymore. Most modern crypto platforms are easier to use than your traditional banking app. Clear menus, simple actions, fast support. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need to know the price of Bitcoin, you just need to know what you want to do. And crypto lets you do it faster. We're not talking about the distant future, this is already here. People around the world are already using crypto to get paid, save, send, and spend. You can choose to ignore it, or you can choose to explore it. Want to see what it feels like? Start with just one simple step. Try it. Tap it. CEX.IO. Simple, clear, ready. Join us and reach your next crypto level.